Good lunchtime to you. Today on Sandwich Dad, eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs that have been peeled and cut down the center with their yolks removed to make deviled eggs. For today, we are making a deviled egg salad sandwich. We've got our yolks in a bowl. We've got some salt and pepper, a little bit of mayonnaise. We're going to add some Kozlik's hot mustard in there. Slice up some green onion, slice up some dill, and then we'll also add a little bit of smoked paprika to the whole thing. Mix, mix, stir, stir, and there is our deviled egg filling. Now we get our 2 slices of white bread, and we're going to fill up those half-boiled eggs. Then we take our bread, and we are going to spread on both sides our deviled egg filling. Then on goes our deviled eggs. I fit 5 of them on there. Put the hat on. What comes next? We cut diagonally and, wait for it, reveal. All right. The filling's a little looser than I would have liked, but I think it still looks pretty good, and I'm excited to try it, especially wearing my Sandwich Tribunal t-shirt. Taste test. It is a little bit messy, but I'd say that's a pretty great egg salad sandwich. Deviled egg salad. Give it a try. This is Sandwich Dad saying good day.